This presentation shows how I designed an interactive timetable for the IWRM Master of Science. We start with the database. At the first term we have 3 courses that has similar nature, and a 4th course has a special nature, which is Project 1. And each of the 3 first courses has 15 lectures. For each lecture, like you can see here, for the first course we have the lecture number, the lecturer name, the lecture title, the faculty of the lecturer, the university, and the sequence. 2 means it is the second lecture in the day where we give the instruction for the 4 courses. And also it shows the duration of the class and the course name. Because the course names are long, I use the first letter of the words, like NREG means natural resources, economics and governance. The second 15 lectures for the course called MNRS means management of natural resources systems, and the third course is called AGISA, Advanced Geographic Information System Applications. I used the pivot table to create this output here. I showed how we took the column titles and put it in the 4 different fields here. Like we put course title in columns, and we put lecturer name in rows, and we put count of lecture title in values, and we used 4 different filters: 1 for faculty, 1 for university, 1 for sequence, and 1 for lecture numbers. This interactive timetable allows you to get information, different types of information, without really processing the table, because you just use the drop down list that is attached to each of these small arrows here. We have here 6. We are going to have 6 examples: 1 for faculty, 1 for university, 1 for sequence, 1 for lecture numbers, 1 for lecture title, and 1 for the course title. Here this is faculty tables. If you like click this mouse here, you get list, and then from this list you use engineering. You can use education, you can use agriculture, you can use anybody outside university. We call him external. Here we have His Excellency Dr. Muhammad Abdulati, the former Minister of Irrigation and Water Resources, as an external. History and law belongs to the Faculty of Arts and the Faculty of Law. If you click engineering, you get all the engineering instructors, or all the instructors that belong to the Faculty of Engineering, and the number of lectures they give in the 3 courses that I mentioned before: MNRS, NREG, and AGISA. Here is for university. We have different universities and entities, like DRC is the Desert Research Center, and EEAA is Egyptian Environmental Affairs Agency, and MWRI are the Ministry of Water Resources and Irrigation, and NIOF stands for National Institute of Oceanography and Fisheries. again, because I am Ain Shams University, from the list I use Ain Shams University. Therefore, we get all the instructors coming from the different faculties of Ain Shams University. Here has to do with the sequence. Sequence here means the first course, the second course, or the third course, because the fourth has a different nature and it's not included in this presentation. If I click 1, I get the management of natural resources systems, and you get all the instructor names and how many lectures they are giving. If we do the same thing for the lecture number means week number, and we have here 15 weeks. I call them 1, 2, 3 up to 15. And if I use what will happen in the first week, which will start this Saturday, I get this here. We have 3 instructors starting the first term in the 3 courses. The instructors will be Dr. Ali El-Bahrawy, myself, His Excellency Dr. Muhammad Abdulawati, and Dr. Rasha Bunduk from the Faculty of Education. Here, in addition to mentioning just the names, I can, of course, using the options of the pivot table, add the title of the lecture to get some details about what will be given in the first day of instruction. Here is a lecturer list. I can use any lecturer from the list. We have many of them. I chose myself as I did before, and then I get my name and how many lectures I am giving in which course. I don't teach the GIS, therefore I am available in the first and 2 and second subjects. Here is also a choice of the course. We have 3 courses, and here I choose the first one, MNRS, and then I get a list of all the instructors teaching in this course, as you can see. I hope this presentation shows you how interactive the timetable is. Of course, what's beautiful about this, that it's dynamic. If anything changes, for example, some of the details of the third course subject titles, if we change it, they will be reflected automatically, and I make this timetable available for all instructors to use, and also for students.